Okay, so I've been wanting a Google Home Hub for a while, and I saw this at Costco for 179, and it's for 2 units. So that's a great bargain because usually it's like 149 or 179. So I had to get it, 2 units for the price of one almost. Um, what I'm gonna be using it for is to make my home a smart home. So I have the Ecobee 3 light installed now, and I have the smart lights from Fate Electronics. Also got that at Costco, so I can control my lights, the color, the dimming of the lights. You know, control the thermostat, and do everything with Google Assistant. So it's great. And I've been trying it out, taking a look at it. And to me, the Google Home Hub is like the best because you got a screen and you got a decent sound system on it. It's not that great, but it works pretty nice. So I'm really loving this at this time. And the 7-inch monitor, it's responsive. Okay, so with this Google Home Hub, what I like is that it's simple and it's easy to use. You can pretty much figure everything out real quick. So right on top there is a mute button you can slide if you don't want Google to be listening. Okay, so what it came with is the power plug, and I don't really like that circular plug-in for the electrical outlet. I wish it was more of a narrow unit so that it's more easier to use with other plugs when you're plugging it in. And that's pretty much it. It's simple, you know. And the setup was quite easy. Okay, one thing I don't really like about the Google Home Hub or Google system is that you do have to install apps on your phone. But the real quick thing here, it's real sweet. That was the buttons for volume, and then again on the top, that's for the muting of the Google Voice Assistants.
To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so that was pretty easy. It connected right away to the Google Home app, so it works. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, and subscribe.